Hello everyone and welcome back to the MA Romolab channel. Today I'm excited to share with you the configuration results of the NAV2 MPPI controller of the ROS2 lawn mower named LunaRobot. If you're excited in robotics, autonomous navigation or just love seeing cool tech in action, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First of all, let's briefly walk through the configuration of the MPPI controller. I'd like to highlight the key changes made from the default values. Before we start, I want to point out that I increased the width and height of the local cost map and decreased the inflation radius. This allows the robot to pass through narrow spaces, like doorways. Now returning to the MPPI controller. The controller frequency was decreased from 30 to 10 due to a warning message from the controller server like control loop missing its desired rate. Even with the rate of 10, the warning still appears, but it's less frequent. According to the documentation, the model DT parameter was adjusted to 0.25. The prune distance was increased to 4.0. Since precise path following isn't necessary, I just need to get to the destination point. I disabled the pass align critic, pass follow critic, and pass angel critic. Now let's see in action. You can see LunaRobot starting its navigation, smoothly adjusting its path as it detects obstacles and follows the planned road. The MPPI controller does a great job of predicting the best path forward while keeping the mower safe and efficient. It's amazing to see all these components working together seamlessly. However, after some testing sessions, I noticed that the robot starts moving in cycle when there is a narrow path between LunaRobot and the destination point. To fix this, I made the following adjustments. Decrease the size of the local cost map to 4, reduce the prune distance to 1.7, enabled the pass align critic to ensure LunaRobot moves in the correct direction. Overall, the testing has been a success. The NAV2 MPPI controller has proven to be reliable and efficient for LunaRobot, especially in complex environments. Thank you for joining us today as we tested the NAV2 MPPI controller on our custom-built ROS2 robot mower. I hope you enjoyed seeing the technology in action. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next update. Until the next time, keep innovating.